In this problem, we want to find the relative frequency for each game. We know each of their sales in millions of units, so although these numbers have to be whole numbers because it's a frequency, so it's how many, like 1, 2, 3, it's 4.2 because it's 4.2 million. So it's really a whole number, it's just written in this shortened format. So to find the relative frequency, and you always want to keep this distinguished from cumulative frequency. Those are very often confused with each other. So relative frequency tells me what percentage of the total group each, in this case, game, takes up. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the list of sales in millions of units, because these are really, well, they're sales, but they're really frequencies. So we add up all the frequencies and we get 21.0. So to find the relative frequency for each game, we're going to take the frequency, which in this case is 4.2, and divide it by 21, and that gives me 0.200. I'll take this out and put 0.200. Then I take the 3.5, and divide that by 21. That's better. And that gives me 0.167. And then do the same thing with each value. 0.114. 0.105. And this is how we work our way down the list. So we get a relative frequency for each value. Okay, so let's see, this will be 090. This is the same again, 090, 0.071, and 0.067. So we could say that the first game takes up 20% of the sales, the next one is 16.7, and so on. So if I add up the relative frequencies, if I've done this correctly, this should add up to 1.00, because that's 100% of all the sales. So that's just a way to double check, but our answer is this list of numbers. And that's how you do that problem.